Today we're taking a look at the Caddx Walksnail VRX system. This is just got in today. I'm so excited to show you guys, making this unboxing for you so you can check it out. So let's just start. Let's open this up. Here we got a simple manual with the instructions and everything. You're gonna get a nice QR code so you can scan and read the instructions. This is what you get in the box. You got the module, you got the antennas. It's actually very important. You do get antennas with this VRX. Also, everything you need to get started. So let's check this out first. You've got some tools. This is basically for you to mount your antenna to your goggles, depending on what you have. Then you got the power cable. It's quite nice. It's a Y-type cable. You can plug in your normal battery here, and then just divide the power for your goggles and for your module. We're gonna check this out a little bit later. You also get a HDMI cable for you to connect your goggles with. This is quite interesting. Yeah, both are mini HDMIs. You do need to bear in mind that this module will work with full HD 1080p resolution and also HD, which is 720p resolution. And finally, you get the module. This is our main module. So, and you get the antennas. Let's just get them out. And the antennas go here, like so. And there you go. That's how it looks all mounted. It's kind of lightweight. Also, you get this little adhesive pads so you can stick your antenna in case that you don't have anything to mount the antennas to your goggles. You can just stick them there. I don't like that idea so much, but I mean, if you're the person that wants to stick them, then fine. Let's get this out of the way and let's take a good look at the module. The module comes with a couple of buttons here. Control joystick. This is a 5-way joystick. You got the bind button here, just like the one you have on the goggles, on the Walksnail goggles. So this is the going back button. This button, you will use it, I think, is to play and also to record from the DVR. It does have, by the way, an internal DVR and also has an internal memory for that DVR. You have 8 gigabytes, and also you can add an external XD card. On the side, you get the power inlet, the external SD card slot, and over here, down here, you have the cooling vents. It has an internal active fan that goes on when you power it up, and you have the HDMI outlet. I forgot to mention this. Well, you have the Omni antennas here, and these are the frontal patch antennas. So you get the combination of both patch and Omni antennas. And do bear in mind that these antennas over here are not removable. At least they're not meant to be removable. Maybe some other person will do a teardown of this module and find out that there are ways to remove this and replace them with your preferred patch antenna. I'm not that person. So to show you how this works, I'm gonna connect it to my goggles, and then I'm gonna try and show you with a monitor how the system works. But if you already know Walksnail, this is basically the same. So how you mount them is that you will get your goggles. These are, for example, these are SkyZones 04X, and they will go like so. Back in the front, you could print something to just get your goggle attached to the module like that over here, or you could stick them with the stick pads that came with the module and just stick them in the front. If you use box goggles, you could also stick them in the front. These are SkyZones Corrects box goggles, very good goggles, by the way. And you can just stick it in the front, like so, and it will work the same. Actually, doesn't look that bad. In order to make it work, I'm gonna connect this directly to my battery. It's very important for you to know that this only takes from 2S to 5S. So if you have a 4S or a 5S battery just lying around, and the one that you use with your goggles, you should be fine, but do be careful that it won't support 6S. So you just stick it in and the goggles will turn on immediately. I don't know if you can hear the fan, but it's already running. You can feel it going. Just for the sake of science, I got my studio monitor here, so you can see the image that the module produces while it's working. I'm going to connect this like so, like you would on your goggles, and then plug the module. There's no signal, let's just wait a little bit for it to start up. There we go, starting up. So that's the image. You can see also the OSD showing up from the quad into this module. So this is it for this unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please do like and subscribe, and do stay tuned so you can check out some flight footage from this module. Take care. Bye bye.